The article discusses the increasing frequency of floods in Chennai, India, attributing them to climate change. The city faced severe floods in 2005, 2015, and 2023, with the latter being the worst in 47 years. The author questions whether lessons have been learned and corrective measures taken. The focus is on decoding Chennai's urban and peri-urban hydrology, restoring neglected irrigation tanks, protecting water bodies, and addressing encroachments on rivers. The article emphasizes the need for comprehensive hydroelevation mapping, attention to major drainage systems, and regulation of urban expansion to protect ecological hotspots. Conclusively, effective measures can convert disaster into opportunity for Chennai's resilience.
The Sultan of Oman, Sultan Haitham bin Tariq, is on a state visit to India, marking his first visit since assuming office in January 2020. Oman holds strategic importance for India due to its location and has strong historical ties. Key agreements on trade, defense, and security were previously established during Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi's 2018 visit to Oman. Oman's role in regional peace, its neutrality in conflicts, and its contribution to India's West Asia policy are highlighted. The visit aims to enhance cooperation, with discussions on space collaboration, joint exploration of rare earth metals, and participation in the India-Middle East-Europe connectivity corridor.
With Mohan Yadav sworn in as Madhya Pradesh's Chief Minister, the BJP signals a shift from Shivraj Singh Chauhan's two-decade rule. Despite Chauhan's enduring popularity, the BJP aims for a realignment of interests and leaders. Yadav, an OBC leader, leads with SC and Brahman deputies, excluding Muslims, to consolidate the caste coalition. The government prioritizes tribal outreach and fulfills a manifesto promise by raising the Tendu Patta collection rate. The BJP's social engineering strategy targets OBCs, SCs, and Brahmins, emphasizing wider representation and welfare schemes, though the financial burden on the state raises concerns due to existing heavy debt.
November's retail inflation surge, reaching a three-month high of 5.55% YoY, emphasizes the volatility of food prices, particularly in cereals and vegetables. The Consumer Food Price Index rose by 8.7%, led by cereals and vegetables with 10.3% and 17.7% inflation, respectively. Onion prices, a significant concern, saw YoY inflation spike to 86%. Adverse weather and depleted groundwater may cause a 25% shortfall in onion output. The government's export ban and RBI's decision to hold rates increase the onus on policymakers to address inflationary pressures, with potential repercussions on consumption and economic growth.
On the 22nd anniversary of the 2001 Parliament attack, two individuals breached security at India's Lok Sabha. Manoranjan D. and Sagar Sharma entered as visitors, spraying gas and disrupting proceedings. They had hidden canisters in their shoes, exploiting a security gap. The breach, reminiscent of Bhagat Singh's 1929 attack, drew attention to unemployment issues. The four intruders, part of the Bhagat Singh fan club on Facebook, aimed to protest and make their voices heard. Concerns about parliamentary security have emerged, leading to investigations and discussions on potential larger conspiracies.